Collapsible camping bowls are a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. There are many products available to choose collapsible camping bowls, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best collapsible camping bowls from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Hideaway Collapsible Insulated Bowl. Hideaway Insulated Bowl is a versatile collapsible bowl perfect for various uses. Its collapsible design allows it to transform from a flat pack to a rigid bowl in seconds, making it ideal for camping, hiking, and travel. The insulated sleeve keeps food warm and protects hands. The spill-proof lid helps retain heat and prevent spills, making it convenient for on-the-go use. By using this bowl, you can reduce single-use plastic waste and enjoy its durability. Number 2. Collapsible Camping Bowl. The Collapsible Camping Bowl is a versatile and durable option for your travel and camping needs. Made of food-grade silicone and PP with a foldable No. 304 stainless steel fork, this bowl is safe for human consumption and can withstand microwaving and refrigeration. Its collapsible design makes it easy to store and transport, while its airtight lid makes it useful for food storage. The set includes one bowl and one fork and comes with a 1-year warranty. Number 3. Stoho Collapsible Bowl. Stoho Travel Bowl is a versatile collapsible bowl perfect for your on-the-go lifestyle. With a capacity of 36 ounces, this bowl collapses to just 1.3 inches, saving you space and making it ideal for travel, meal prep, and work lunches. It can handle both hot and cold foods, is dishwasher safe, and made from safe materials. The collapsible design allows for easy storage, while the Number 4. Silicone Camping Bowl. The Jovialife Camping Bowl is a versatile, collapsible silicone bowl perfect for outdoor activities. Made of food-grade material, it is safe for microwave and dishwasher use. With an impressive 88 ounces capacity, it collapses to just 1 inch in height and weighs only 0.73 pounds, making it easy to carry. The bowl features a convenient handle for hanging and a non-slip design at the bottom to prevent spills. It's suitable for storing fruits, mixing salads, and ideal for camping, hiking, picnics, and more. Number 5. Romanskov Camping Bowl. The Romanskov Camping Bowl set includes 3 collapsible silicone bowls with lids, a carry bag, and a set of 3 foldable tableware. Made of BPA-free food-grade silicone, these bowls are odorless, environmentally friendly, and high-temperature resistant. The leak-proof cover prevents spillage and keeps dust and dirt away. The collapsible design folds down to 1/3 of its original size, making it easy to store and transport, perfect for camping, hiking, picnics, and more.
That's all from on my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.